Blessed Sunday, everyone. It's November 24, 2024, and it's a beautiful Sunday morning. So, let's give thanks for all the blessings na nasa buhay natin at mga blessings na darating pa din kasama ang mga pagsubok, mga challenges and trials, which makes our life more beautiful, wonderful, and exciting. At huwag natin kalimutan yung mga taong tumulong sa atin during our trials. Pasalamatan natin sila at doon din sa mga marites doon sa paligid natin. Shout out doon kina Glenda, Glenn Snow, and Uchi. May na Margie Crane, Cecil Boris, Mama Lud, Nancy Griffins, Luis and Susan, Janet Panaag, and Aldi Galvadores ng Malaybalay City, Bukidnon. Kina Idol Ruby Cortez, Jima David, Angie Sarmiento, Elizabeth Ibarra, Mabel Andres, Inday Araso, Ailima Agla, and Kids My Loves. And then sa lahat ng members ng The Order of the Nine Eights. Peoples of the day natin po is being present physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually for your children is the most important job a parent can have. And seeing your children become a peaceful, loving, happy, and just member of society is your best reward. So keep that in mind po. Thank you for following, liking, sharing, and subscribing to these videos. Good morning and have a blessed Sunday, everyone.